Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram account error. To fix an account related error on Instagram, you can try the following steps. You could first check for the updates on the Play Store, open your Play Store and look out for the Instagram app and simply tap on the update option. Ensure that you're using the latest version of the Instagram app and go to devices app store or Play Store and check for any updates. Or you could also try checking your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet and the connection is stable. Or you could also try restarting your app. First, you need to open your Instagram app and simply close it like this. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues, or you could also try uninstalling the app. Press the Instagram app like this and tap on the uninstall option, which is just beside the remove option, and reinstall back again from the Play Store. And this can fix any corrupted files or settings. And if none of the above steps work, you can try contacting your Instagram support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error you are experiencing, and they may be able to help you resolve it. And by following these steps, you should be able to fix most account related errors on Instagram. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.